Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how I fold 200 pieces of paper bag for my clients. After arranging the paper bag, I've put my gum, used my brush, then turn the other side, also put my gum out, use my brush. Then after I have dried, I apply the other paper on top of the other one. Also use my wood. You can also use bottle if you have bottle. Then gum the other side, also use my wood to try to gum it together so that it will be strong. Here is when I was centering the job. I center it so that I will know where to fold. Here is when I was trying to fold it. As you can see, fold the up. After folding the up, I will also fold the down. So I will take the upside inside, then here I will also bend it down, bend the other side, then try to bring it inside. Then the other side, I'll try to bring it inside. Here's when I was trying to fold the paper by bending it, and here is it. Then after it, I will apply my gum on the both edges. Then after applying my gum for the both edges, I'll put in the up and it down, then gum it together. Here's how I achieved this beautiful paper bag. As you can see, here's the final paper bag after I've already put my rope. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, comment, and also share the video to your loved ones. Please also do well to follow me on all platforms. Gifted Creation Print Hug. See you in my next video. Bye.